Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. Today we are in Alexandria looking at a project with a VDOT approved apron, a driveway with a stone border, stone walkway, and stone stoop. Let's take a closer look. This is a CG9D apron approved through VDOT with the proper inspections, permitting, and bonding. See, it's got the expansion joint down the center, clean flow line with no lip. That is the standard now. And when they fit, the CG9D with this large radius is the style apron that they want put in. We have the 6-foot section of curb and gutter that was replaced, leading to the drain that was a little damaged, and that's what they look like. So again, this does have all the proper permitting and bonding and approval through VDOT. Now, this was poured a little later in the year. That's why you see a curing compound on the apron. But looking at the driveway, no curing compound. That's why the concrete's a slightly different color. As this ages and the driveway fully cures, they will be very close to the same color. So you see, we did this nice flagstone border, all the proper control joints. Sorry, the lighting's not great. And then the border going up the side. Now keep in mind, we did this project, part of the reason was, you can see the new sewer clean out there. There's another new clean out on the side of the porch, but they had a line that was damaged, inspected, and needed to be replaced, and it actually tied in underneath our apron here. So we demoed out, the sewer company came in, replaced all the piping. That's why the yard is pretty tore up. They had to dig the whole way across over to the other side of the house there, and that's why you see it tore up. So we were able to coordinate with them, demo out, wait till they did their work, and then come in and finish up our work. Now here's this beautiful stone walkway. I mean, guys, it doesn't get much better than this. Just gorgeous palette, arrangement of stones, great color. You see those beautiful thermal pieces on the porch. Nice thick pieces. The color in the stone with those blacks and browns really ties in nicely with the brick on the house here. And you can see stone and brick can look fantastic together. All these elevated sections we did vertical stone on, and in my opinion it looks absolutely perfect. Really nice stuff. One more detail on the side here. There was a little area old brick on the house that was kind of falling apart, so we did that nice little touch to tie in the stone there to cover that up. And then we did a nice little trash can pad around to the side. And he's actually gonna anchor in some posts and put a little fence here to kind of hide these. Then we tied in that downspout that comes to a pop-up over here in the yard. So I hope you like what you see. These big driveway, big apron, stonework type projects are really what we're looking for. So if you want something similar to this, please give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a bid. Thanks for watching and have a good day.